Alright, greetings everybody. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Cheney. I run the channel Middle Class Mayhem. But this is my wagon, if you don't know. It gets me where I need to go. It carries the boards and the diving stuff and whatever. So it's as important to me as all the other stuff we do on Middle Class Mayhem. But I was basically driving to the beach to go surf. I was really excited because it was good and I didn't want to stop. But I was watching my temp gauge and it was slowly climbing. I was like, oh, it's a Toyota. It'll be fine, I'm not worried about it. Climbing, got into the red zone, and before you knew it, I blew my head gasket. So I have to fix my head gasket because my car doesn't work. I'll probably be doing this for the next couple days. It's kind of a lot of work, so this is gonna be a motion lapse through the whole project. I need to get started, so let's get going. Just for my documentation. Got the head off the car as you saw in a time lapse. It's getting dark outside. It is dark outside. I still have to take the exhaust manifold and the intake off of the block so that I can go to the machine shop. But I'll show you the head gasket real quick so you can see where it was blown. Alright, so yeah, here's the old head gasket. You can see this little tiny mark right here, and then this one right here. That's what it took for water to leak into my engine, and it's no good, so I gotta toss this. Goodbye. So it's getting late. I want to time-lapse the disassembly of that head, and we have to go to dinner tonight, so we're gonna cover that up and put it to bed. But I will pick up either tomorrow or Monday, so see you soon.
This is great.
Alright, greetings everyone, welcome back. I just got back from the machine shop yesterday. They finished the head up. Here's a new head. Well, it's the same head, but it's clean now. So today I'm going to be reassembling the head on the bench and then putting it back into the wagon. Hopefully have the wagon at least starting by the end of today. So let's get into it.
Gotta warm up.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. I won't know yet. So there it is. As you can see, the new head is installed. I've test drove it like 2 times to school and back, and it holds a nice cool temperature. Everything runs normally. There's no coolant leaks. It's all fixed. So hope you guys enjoyed this one. Let me know what you think. See you guys in the next video, where we are hopefully diving or surfing and not fixing my broken wagon, because I don't like to do that. I don't like when the wagon's broken. See you guys in the next video.